Eric Ambrose Intabo, mwenye kiti wa walemavu katika gatuzi letu la Kisii. Leo ni siku yetu ya kukumbushana yale ambayo tumepitia mazuri na mabaya, na mwaka huu naona nafurahia sana kwa sababu tuko na dokumenti mpya Disability Act 2025 ambayo sasa imeleta shida zote pamoja na itatatua shida zote iwapo itatekelezwa. Kwa hivyo wakati mwingine huko nyuma tulikuwa tunaambiwa ya kwamba ugatuzi haujapewa mambo ya ulemavu, that disability has not been devolved to county governments. Now through this article or act of parliament, it has been devolved to the governments, both governments, na wote sasa tunawaomba wafanye utekelezaji ambao unaweza ukasaidia mlemavu kufaidika zaidi. Kwa hivyo tena siku ya leo nimefaidika kuwa mmoja wao ambao walipewa mkongojo wa kutembelea. Kwa hivyo nauona ndio huu, na kwa hivyo nashukuru National Council for yale mazuri yote wanatufanyia, na pia tunaomba serikali zote sifuatilie mambo ya Global Disability Summit ya 2025 ambayo ilifanyika Berlin, na wafuatilie ndio walemavu wafanyiwe mahitaji yote ambayo wanahitajika.
Patrick Awino. I'm the county director in charge of the Directorate for Children Services, Kisii County. And what I can say briefly is that the International Day for Persons with Disability has been very inspiring. People were given a forum whereby they air their views and concerns. And also we had to teach each other on how to handle a person with disability. The idea is they are vulnerable, but they are not supposed to be pitied on. Number two, there's what we call disability etiquette. Disability etiquette is a matter of saying persons with disability, not a person living with disability. Because to us, as per the Disability Act, that one is somehow derogatory. So it's more or less like it is better for us to be inclusive in terms of dignity, in terms of integrity, in terms of respect, and also in terms of considering us part and parcel of the entire community. Without us, there's nothing that's going to progress, because we need a society that is inclusive. Nobody should be left behind.
My name is Joseph Maina Thoita, the Principal Assistant to the County Commissioner, Kisii County. And we are in this function to celebrate the International Day of People Living with Disabilities. This is an international day to recognize and to celebrate people who are differently abled. Now, today's function was held here at the Kisii Culture Hall, and it was attended by participants, people who are living with disabilities. They were able to articulate their issues. We as government were also able to enumerate the nature and kinds of benefits available to people living with disabilities. Specifically, we were able to enumerate the policy, the government, the national and county government policies on people living with disabilities. And we have been able to tell them the benefits, the obligations of the national government, the obligations of the county government. We have also been able to tell them, to give them a token, to at least give a few equipment to people who have been benefited from living in such condition. So they have been able, the people have been able to, we have been able to give one wheelchair. We have also been able to give a few walking equipment to these people. And people generally have celebrated this day, and they are okay. They have said they are fine.
National Council for Persons with Disability as the County Disability Officer, Kisii County. I am privileged today to join persons with disability within Kisii County celebrating their day. Today's theme was fostering disability inclusive societies for advancing social progress. So we are calling all stakeholders from various that there is no development with anyone is left behind. there is no any progress that is made, and we are encouraging that every institution, either public or private, to ensure that disability mainstreaming has been upheld, and the policies in terms of accessibility of buildings or any other accessibility is being upheld. So today, persons with disability within Kisii County gathered here in the cultural hall, articulating their grievances, and we are happy that various government institutions, county government was here to also tell them what they have done and what they are intending to do. So we are very grateful as an office, as the National Council. We are still going to continue advocating for the right of persons with disability and ensuring they are included within all programs.
Is James Obwogi. I'm presenting all the deaf in Kisii County. I've come here for the UN International Day of Celebration. We are doing celebration on different types of disability. I'm asking the county government to focus on the deaf, especially on interpretation. On issues of interpretation, we are facing challenges. Number one, in the hospital, there's communication barriers. When deaf come to the hospital, maybe a woman is pregnant and other different issues they have, there is no interpreter. How they get the medication is also very hard. So please appoint and employ interpreters, and also employ the deaf to work with the interpreters so that they sort out issues in the hospital. Not only interpreters, yes, the deaf will also be working with the interpreter. Also in court, where the deaf have been there are no interpreters. They are only asked to communicate in paper form. Also other different departments, in different offices, in different wards, we must have interpreters and all inclusive. Many sub-counties and wards do not have the deaf who are there, who are employed, and also there are no interpreters. So remember, we have certificates which are KCSE, which are from the Kenya National, and I'm also asking the association